Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Yemi here again from SwingTradeFX, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how we got about one of our trade. However, I must say I've been away for a minute, right? I have a lot of things I had to do in real life, but I didn't leave my community behind. I still share trade ideas that more than 90% win rate on the community. I share it out transparently, and people make money off of it. So, but in today's video, I'm just gonna take one of them, and I'm gonna be showing you how we got this beautiful trade opportunity in the group. Right, a lot of people make money. I got a lot of reviews from the community, and I'm going to be showing you how we got about this so that you can see that forex trading can be really simple. And the purpose of this video is to simplify your knowledge and understanding in forex trading, and you know that you don't really need the complicated stuff for you to make money in the market. So sit back and enjoy, and let's go. So to start with, we're going to look at, as we always do, we carry out a multi-time frame analysis to see things from the higher time frame, right? And this trade was really just so simple. A lot of people have been having a lot to say on the GBP JPY pair, and to me, I'm just looking at it as this pair is really just consolidating for a very beautiful move because the setup was quite straightforward. And what are we having right here? It's very simple. The first thing I want to understand is I want to be able to know what the market is doing. And right now, as you can see, that the market is trending upwards, right? And as the market trends upward, what happened? We got to an equal level where the market actually broke, right? And I was expecting a retest for a continuation upward. Simple. That just makes it make sense. So the first thing I do is I identify the level, right? And once I identify the level, hold up. Once I identify the level, it makes sense for me because now I'm anticipating that because the market has been on a higher low, higher low, higher low, and this is the last higher low right here, and it was able to take off this high right here to this level, then I will be expecting some form of retest into the market, right? So major retest, not just a weak retest. This is a weak retest, but I'm waiting for like a body retest, right? So now if the market can give me that, that means I'm going to be looking for to a buy. From the daily time frame, I'm going to be looking to a continuation of buy. So it's more like a push, a breakout with that level, a retest, and a continuation into this side. But does that just make sense for everything? No. The next thing I want to be able to do is to go to the lower time frame, which is the 4 hours time frame, to see what the market is doing right there. So now that we see what the market is doing right there, I can see that the market is retesting this previous area of resistance, right? And this previous area of resistance might turn into support. I mentioned that in my support and resistance video. If you haven't seen it, I want you to go back and go watch. It's going to help you a lot, right? So now that I understand that, I can see right here as well that the market, after rejecting that area, might actually come back, and I can find like a power structure right here, which this being the low, and you can see the higher low, and I'm looking at the situation by, if the market does not take off this higher low, that means we might be having a continuation of buy that confirms the higher time frame previous area resistance to support. So I'm having like a double confluence of this area, right? So come to the 1 hour time frame. Now the 1 hour time frame, this is the time frame where we start to kind of like look for opportunities, right? This is the time frame where we start to look for opportunities right there. And on the 1 hour time frame, what do I see? I see a situation whereby the market was coming on a downtrend right here, and a downtrend right here, and this is the previous area of resistance talked about at the time right here, and I can see the market trending downwards to this our area of value, right, where the market might be finding a buy. So how do you find an exit, now an entry? It's very simple, right? I identify the top in which the market might be going to, which is this previous area. As you can see it in history, previous area of support, you can see resistance right here, and this is the area where the market hit our TP. So that is a very important zone for us, right? To actually find our exit from, right? So now, you see, I'm gonna tell you this, right? You might have the best setup ever, but if you do not have a good knowledge of execution, you might still end up being a losing trader, right? So analysts are not necessarily great traders, but people that understand execution are people that make up great and wonderful traders, right? So now, this I've already identified my area of take profit. Okay, I've already identified my area of take profit by the reasons of that. Let me take this off. I've identified my area of take profit by the reasons of, that was the previous area of you can see we have this all supports right here and the price hit this resistance. So at the time, I'm like, if we can find a very good entry right here, I'm gonna take my profit right here, which I'm taking my profit for very solid trade. Get to the 30 minutes time frame where we kind of like see everything. And what was the basis for my entry? It's quite very simple. When the market was dropping, when the market was making a drop right here, it was giving us a lower high structure. Everything kept dropping, found resistance at previous area of support, and it dropped back below this level. So I was waiting for a change of structure right here. So my game plan was, if I can find a change of structure from this trend coming to this down part, then I'm just gonna find a very good entry upon the pullback. And what really happened right here, this became my reasons, right? This level right here became my reason for entry, right? So that means if the market can break if the market can break this structure right here, this inside structure right here, I'm not using the outside structures right there, because whenever the market is trying to find a retest, it goes into the inside structure. It's something I teach my students all the time, and it's something you won't really find anywhere except you come to SwingTradeFX and you learn from us, right? So, and after the market does that, right, I'm waiting for a pullback, right? So what did the market do? The market gave me a push, it gave me a pullback exactly right here. Got into my trade right here with my stop loss right here, and boom, look at how the market went, right? The market went up. So my setup was more of this. I was waiting for the market. And what is the logic behind the market testing? I need a very strong break of structure, because after the market got here, we start to have this lower highs, lower highs, and it retested it, right? So the moment the market retested, this became a confirmational zone for me, that if the market can find a break right here, find a pullback to this level, right, then I can find my buy to this point. And the market did just that, and that was how we're able to get it straight. Now, look at this. The market, while it was going up, consolidated a lot. But one thing I want you to realize in our trade management of this trade was that after we found our entry and the market, broke this last higher low, our stop loss, was moved to our entry point right here. And as the market continued to go higher, we never moved the stop loss until the market made another higher low right here. And the moment it broke this higher low, we move a stop loss to entry point, and now to a little profit. And that was how we're able to maintain being profitable until we hit our take profit. So there are different sides to trading, right? There's the analytical side, there is the entry side, execution side, which is very important. If execution is flawed, you would most likely not be a winning trader, right? And there's exit point, right? I know that there's more room to go to the upside, but are we ready for that move right now? No, I'm not ready for that move right now. I just want to take my profit right now and see what the market does. If it gives me a very clear signal to continue to ride to the upside, I'm going to do that. But the goal first is to take our profit right at the sensitive zone, at the levels of value, right? So if the market breaks this level of value and finds us a retracement, then definitely we're going to look forward to entry into the market. But this trade, as you can see, this trade from our entry point right here, we're able to secure 36 pips stop loss and about 142 pips. This is about more than 1/4, right? On a very fantastic trade like this. So the goal is for you not to chase every trade, right? Don't chase every trade. Don't be in a business chasing every trade, right? This week we have the 1:4. It's beautiful, right? Put very comfortable profit into my pocket, right? And I want you to be able to learn my psychology, learn how I see the market, learn my approach for the market, learn my relationship with the market. That I don't have to be in the market every day. All I need to do before I take an action in the market, I have to see a quality trade. I have to have a I have an A plus execution opportunity. I have to have a quality exit strategy, and I have to have a very solid risk management. So just here to remind you guys, the forex trading is really not hard, but you need to just understand how it works, right? I make it look simple because I've achieved mastery over this and I've mastered it over time, and you too can, right? So I hope someone is able to learn from this. And yes, we are finally back now, and expect more videos, more teaching, educational video, live trading videos, for me. And for people who want to join my mentorship, yes, you can hit me up, right? Here we produce a lot of results. You can check our Telegram group. It's so fire. Many people are becoming independent traders, right? I do not give signals because I don't want to create dependent traders. My goal is to create profitable traders who can trade by themselves, and we've been able to achieve that in hundreds, right? So thank you so much. And we are back now. Yemi is back. Yemi is back. And I expect more video content from us. God bless you.